what's up? It's your girl Ashley and I'm back again with another video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and like and comment because I love reading your guys' comments. I love when you guys like the video and it really just helps me to know what type of videos to do in the future for you guys. So thank you so much for everyone who's tuning into this. You guys are amazing. Blessings to you. I love when you guys hit me up on Instagram and Twitter letting me know that you love my channel. Thank you so much. I do read your guys' comments and I do try my best to respond to every one of you. So thank you. Alright, so if you read the title of the video, then you know what's going on. Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video to Gymshark. The reason why I do this is because it's not really an unboxing. It's more of like, the girl got a package in the mail and now I'm going to open it. So it's not really an unboxing because it did come in this bag. So yeah, I recently was shopping on Gymshark.com. If you guys know me and you follow me on social media, you know that I love the gym and I'm always there. I go to an all-girl gym. I love my gym so much. It's an all-girl gym, so there's nothing but ladies there. My whole gym's pink and I really do get a good workout. Whenever I go to the gym personally, I'm always doing cardio and I'm always doing sauna. So I definitely love the sauna. Like the sauna is my best friend. I'm always on the treadmill. Like the treadmill is my best friend. And when I was in school, I actually ran track. If you guys didn't know, I was on the track team, I believe 7th grade into the 9th grade. And I also ran track in the 5th grade. So I always ran track. It just wasn't like an ongoing thing throughout my life. It was just certain grades I would join the team, but I was always on the track team and I was a sprinter. So if you guys didn't know, I got the wheels on deck, you know, race me. Comment down below if you want to race. So I always did like relay races. I did like the 100-meter dash. I think that's what it's called. Your girl's getting older. I forget the terms of what we were doing. I remember this one time I was doing a 4 relay race and I wasn't the starter or the anchor. The starter's the person who starts the race off with the baton once they shoot the gun. The anchor is the person that finishes the race, and they usually try to put the fastest people out of the 4 in the front and the end. But that day I wasn't front or end. I literally was the second person. Whoever the starter was, I remember they literally started us off. They passed me the baton. We were like in 3rd place. And I was like, bruh, I remember waiting there like, bruh, come on, bruh. Like, everybody's leaving. Can't like this because I'm trying to get the baton, you know. And I just remember wanting my team member to like, hurry and get to me because everyone was already getting their batons and going. Me being the second person, I was like stuck there waiting for the freaking baton. And I remember when she brought it to me, bruh. When she brought it to me, bruh, when the baton hit the hand, bruh, your girl was gone. I was gone. And I remember passing up 2 people. I forget how many people run in a relay race. At that time, we were probably like 4th or something like that. And then when she handed me the baton, I booked it, y'all. Your girl got wheels. I completely ran. I remember getting our team into 2nd place and just feeling so relieved. I was like, yes, yes, yes. Like, just the fact that it was me alone. Mind you guys, when she gave me the baton, we were literally in 4th place. Then when she got it to me, I then managed to get us into 2nd. And then I think we ended up finishing off the race in 2nd place. Who got us in 2nd place? Ashley got us in 2nd place. Woo, woo, woo. Alright guys, enough with the story time. Let's get into this video. As you can see, I was on the Gymshark website. If you guys know, they're a very popular athletic brand on Instagram. You can go to their Instagram page. It's literally at Gymshark. I see a lot of people wearing their stuff. One of the beauty influencers that I like is Tammy Hembro, and she's always wearing Gymshark. So she's actually the inspiration that got me really liking it. So I went onto their website, and no, they're not cheap, but I do work out at the gym and I do love to be comfortable at the gym and feeling good for my workout, and Gymshark has a lot of cute stuff. So I finally was able to purchase some stuff off of their website and I'm gonna show you guys today. So this is the bag. It's Gymshark, just sent to my house, and it actually comes in like this little baggie, and I honestly do like their packaging. I just got like one outfit. It's so cute and I want to show you guys. I haven't opened this yet for myself, so I'm gonna do it on camera with you guys, and we're kind of gonna do it like a review. This packaging is really, really nice. Ooh. Okay, so I remember I got like purple pearl type color because I'm very into pastel. I'm very into light colors. I got a purple and gray. Yes, it is. It's a purple and gray. Yes! Your girl finally owns Gymshark. Oh my god. This is actually a big moment because I've kind of been watching their page for a while and Tammy Hembro always posts about it. So for me to just have it here in my hands in person, finally, it's kind of a big deal. This is really cute. I got like a bralette. Got it in a small because I am small. I love it a lot. This is the tag, Gymshark tag. It says dry moisture management. Wicks moisture off your skin to help keep you dry, cool, and comfortable. Exactly what I need for the gym. And I love going in the sauna. Like the sauna is my best friend. I don't go to the gym if I'm not going in the sauna. And I literally won't get a gym membership anywhere if it doesn't have a sauna. I need the sauna. Your girl, me, I need the sauna. We're like this. I remember one time in my life, I gained a lot of weight. I want to say I was probably like 18, 19, but I had gained a lot of weight and I just remember going to the gym and I promised I would never gain that weight again. But I went to the gym and the sauna was my best friend and it really helped me like tone up and lose all that weight. And ever since then, I've been loyal ever since, okay? Let's just put it that way. But yeah, guys, look. Isn't it so cute? I can't wait to wear it to the gym and just like look cute in it. I'm gonna post some pics on the gram too, so you guys will most likely see me there. And I'm gonna tag them too. Be on the lookout for that. And then these are the bottoms. So once again, it comes in the Gymshark packaging, and this is kind of like a different fabric. I love this fabric. It's really cute. I love this. Okay, so I might keep this as a souvenir. And these are the leggings. Ooh, they feel so nice. Like the quality of this is very thick. This is a very thick quality, guys. It's like the matching set to the bralette that I got. So it says Gymshark on the bands in purple. Turn it around, the same thing, Gymshark. And I got it in gray and purple. These are also a small because I am a size small, once again, guys. And the same thing. These are the Gymshark tags. This one says tailored sportswear engineered to enhance performance. So hopefully with my cardio in these leggings, I get a good workout and then go relax in the sauna afterwards. I'm really excited for this whole outfit and I'm so happy to be like a Gymshark owner now because I love this brand. They're so cute. If you guys follow them on Instagram, just go ahead and check them out. Maybe shop their website too. If you do though, comment down below because I want to know what outfits you get. I got the purple 2-piece set. It's literally so cute and it feels so nice, guys. Alright guys, yes, I love this. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I got it and I can't wait to wear it. You guys will definitely see me on the gram in this. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. But yeah, you guys will definitely see me on the gram like wearing this. And thank you guys, Gymshark, so much for just being you and providing us women with comfortable clothes that we can feel comfortable in, working out in the gym, and just, you know, really getting our workout in and providing the quality that'll help us in those areas. So thank you so much, Gymshark, for just the cute pieces and for sending me this so packaged perfectly. Like this was honestly perfect. So thank you guys for that. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I had a lot of fun filming it. I had a lot of fun showing you guys what I got from Gymshark.com. Stay tuned for the gram pics because they will be there. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I don't mind doing unboxing videos with you guys. So if you guys want to see more, comment down below. But until then, it's your girl Ashley. I'm tuning in. Well, I'm technically tuning out because I'm ending this video. But I will catch you guys next time in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Be a part of notification gang so you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Alright guys, I will catch you guys in my next video and I'll see you next time. Stay lit until then, guys.